Have you ever wondered how those gigantic cruise ships don't just sink like a stone? The secret is all about how much water they push aside. Cruise ships are designed with huge, hollow hulls that trap a lot of air, making them much lighter than they look. When you put a ship in water, it pushes water away, and the water pushes back with an upward force called buoyancy. As long as the ship weighs less than the water it moves out of the way, it stays afloat. That's why even something so heavy can float, thanks to clever design and simple physics.